Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Pipedrive account. So for that, the process is very simple. Just click on the link in the description below, and you'll be able to redirect to the page where you just have to enter your credentials, or you have to sign up with your Google account. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page. All you have to do is provide a bit of information about yourself, your phone number, and all that stuff. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and continue with it. In here, you have to upload a contact list. If you already have a CSV file or a spreadsheet, you can attach that over here. Otherwise, you can add a contact simply from here. So here, when you click on add contact option, there will be a plenty of fields over here, but there will be an import option. So once we go to the import option, then we can actually go ahead and import the CSV file or the spreadsheet. That way, we'll be able to embed or import all the essential fields and along with the data in it. So here, just go ahead and select between what we're gonna do. Select all the type that applies: people, organization, leads, deals, activity. But for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and upload the data of the people. So if you want to add any custom field, you can do so from here. But if you are good with it, you can just go ahead and import the CSV file or a spreadsheet file. So, so this is what we see as an contact list and all the data. If you have that, just go ahead and click and import it, and then you'll be able to set up all of this. Here you'll see on the left hand side when we go to Pipedrive setup, you'll see there are plenty of things on the left hand side like leads, deals, projects, campaigns, sale inboxes, activate, contact insights, and all that stuff. But that's a topic for another video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.